Hello and welcome to the next video on the Nerdy Collector channel. And today we are opening OP07, 07, whatever you want to call it. And as you can maybe see or maybe not, I hope you can see it, I improved the lighting a little bit of myself. And I got a new phone attachment. It's not a tripod, but I switched out the other tripod, so now it's just much nicer for me. But let's open the display. So I have all the free time here now. The free space for my arms, for my hands, and not the tripod right in front of me. So let's open it up like this. Today we do not have any special packs before, so we'll dive right into the first pack. And let's see what we are getting out of it. Okay. This one is rather okay. We got Papak, we got a Gecko Moria, we got Scratchman Apu, Bucken, we got Eladine, we got Tony Chopper from the Egghead arc, let's go. We got Boa Sister, we got Salome, we got the most brilliant mind in the world event, we got the Jewelry Bonnie Leader, okay. Got the Galaxy Wink, and we got a Frankie. That's the first lead of the pack, okay. Then let's get to the second part. I'm gonna be honest, I think I opened these ones like this, so it's easier because I am not getting the hang of it. So the next pack got Blue Jam, we got Monda, Baskerville, Vega Force 1, let's go. We got Dice, Keep Out event, Spandam from the CP0, Caribou. This is just one of the most annoying characters. We got Hamburg, and we got Foxy, great. We got Sengoku, and we got Lucy, let's go. He's getting the new leader card, so I think, I don't know, I don't think it is I don't think it's yellow, so you probably can play him in there, but open the next pack. We got Jinbei, that's Derry, Gizmonda, Bucken again. We got a little Sanji boy. We got a Raccoon Mihawk, that's a great, nice card draw. We got Pickles. We got Monkey D. Luffy, let's go. We got Doflamingo. We got a Dragon Breath event. We got Fisher Tiger. And we got the SR Sanji blocker. Let's go. That's the first sleeve of the video. I really like that Sanji. I'm just gonna keep it there. And let's go to the next pack. in which we have Edison, Tonjit, Najimbe, Portamy, I'm not sure how it's pronounced in English. We got a Caribou again with the Keep Out event. We got the Iron Body CP9 with Bruno and Luffy. We got another Pickles. We got a Mora, very nice for the Ace decks. Then we got Atlas. We got Outlook 3 from the Goa Kingdom. And we got Margaret from Amazon Lily. A lot of Boa Hancock cards in here as well. Let's see. I'm just excited to see the big pulls today and the alt arts. I think this set is really nice. So we got Baskerville, Maha, we got a Usopp. We got another Starry. We got the Egghead stage. We got Morgans. We got the slow beam sword. I hate it. Worst arc. I can just say it again. Foxy Pirates, I hate them. So we got Spandam. We got another Foxy Pirate. We got Mass Deuce. We got the Tempest Kick. And we got the Tony Chopper from the Foxy Pirate arc. And I know it's the Foxy deck, but still, I hate it. Just because I know it's in the set doesn't mean I can't hate it, you know? The next pack, we have Reiju. We got another Usopp. We got Tonjit. We got Dagura and Magura. We got Eladine and Koribu. We got the Amazon Lily stage. We got another Foxy Pirate. We got Pythagoras. We got the Crocodile, okay. We got the Blaze Slice event. And we got another SR, the Basil Hawkins. Let's go. This one looks insanely cool as well with the puppets and everything. Damn. So that's the second SR. Let's go. I think it's the 5th pack. Yes, I think it was. So, or even just the 4th. I'm not sure. Let's keep the hits going. Okay, we got a Don in the last place. Is it a gold Don then? Gecko Moria, Papak. We got Maha. With the Megaton Ninetales Rush. We got another Egghead stage. We got a Tony Chopper. Mr. Tanaka. A slow beam. We got the Vegapunk leader. We got the Foxy. We got the Monkey D. Luffy, let's go. That's also the one I wanted. And we got a Silver Dawn. But I'm all for that. In my personal opinion, I'm not into the gold frame of the gold Dawns. So in my opinion, the normal Silver Dawns look much nicer than the gold Dawns. And this one is from the 7 Warlords. But the Luffy is getting a sleeve, because that's a personal hit for me again. Damn, the Nightmare Luffy. Foxy is not getting anything. Actually, the Silver Dawn, I can maybe also sleeve, I think. But I'm glad it's not a Gold Dawn, because Gold Dawns are taking away precious hit spots. And because I don't want any gold Dawns. That's great, better this way. Now for the next pack, we got another Reiju. We got Edison. We got Boa Marigold, the other Boa sister, the Hancock sister. We got Tongit, another Ninetales Rush, another Egghead stage, another Mihawk. Let's go. A Hattori. Okay, kind of a spoiler. A Zoro and a Dragon Leader. We got Kaku and we got Baccarat, which is also getting, I think, crazy cards in the EB03 in the Heroines pack, in the Heroines display set, which we'll probably open on here as well, so stay tuned for that. Oh, the next pack, Vega Force 1, another Pepak, Baskerville, another Sandy Boy, the Rayquaza Help, Ceramic Punishment, a Snake Dance, a lot of events on this, the Captain John, another Moda, another Pythagoras, we got Ain, and we got the Boa Hancock SR. Damn. I'm only pulling Boa Hancocks on the OP14 as well. That's crazy. I'm gonna go a little down on here, maybe like this, because I am over here. So I think we're getting some good pulls off this. And in this pack, we got Gizmodo again. We got an Edison. Let's see if we can get all the Stellars, all the satellites, I mean. We got Morgans, Vega Force 1, Morgans, Ceramic Punishment, another event. We got York, okay, that's new. We got Joseph. We got Shaka, okay. We got the Nico Robin. We got the Law. Oh my god! We got the special rare. Holy shit. Holy fuck. Wow. Okay. You got the Onami special rare. Damn. This card, I've always thought this is one of the nicer cards, because most of the Nami or the female cards are Guna cards or special rares. But this is just like so cool. Damn. Okay. Just gonna keep it down here. Damn. We really hit it big, but we still have over half of the display left, so I don't think there's another big hit, but there should be some alt arts still in it. So we got Marigold, Blue Jam, Gizmonda, Dogora Magura, another Boa sister, at Khalifa. We got the slow beam sword. We got Shave event. We got another event. We got the Boa Hancock leader. We got the Rob Lucci in his Devil Fruit form. And we got we're going to claim the One Piece event. Damn, this card looks insane. Like for real. It's just like such a pretty card. Okay, we got another Dawn. Another another Silver Dawn. At Gizmodo, we got Usopp, Jinbei, another York, another Iron Body, and Aladdin. Oops. Another Shave event. Don Quixote, Don Flamingo. Got the Rob Lucci leader. You got the Demonic Aura 9 Sword Style Astro Demon 9 Flash. I butchered that one pretty hard, but we got Ace, okay, and we got another Silver Dawn. I'm gonna sleeve that as well. Like this. Maybe I'm gonna put those over here. And this one there. Okay. Let us continue with the next pack. We have Maha. We got Fusa, that's the first. We got Mona. We got Jinbei in green. We got the Iron Body event. The Snake Dance event. We got a Koala as a child. We got Captain John. We got the Big Bun. We got Bartholomew Blocker. We got another Portgas the Ace, and we got the Otama Searcher. Okay, I think we're halfway through. We got 11 packs left. Yes, that was kind of the halftime pack there. We got Capote, we got Gecko Moria, we got another Reiju, we got the Egghead stage, we got Sanji, we got Dice, we got another Mihawk, we got Gina from the Foxy Pirates, we got Bartholomew, we got another Shaka, Fisher Tiger, and the SR Porsche. Wow, can't wait, couldn't wait to get the so great Foxy Pirate SR. You can stay there, it's all fine. Okay, the last 10 packs. Let's get in a very great SR, please. SR alt art would be the best. Okay. In this pack, we got Capote, we got the Vega Force 1, we got the Weevil, and Khalifa CP0, another Amazon Lily stage. We got Dice, we got York, we got the Black Gecko Moria, we got the Rono Zorro, we got another Gramanion, we got Orouge, and oh my god, we got the SEC Alt Art Sabo. Let's go. Oh my god. Damn. This looks so insane. Let's go. That's like 2 insane hits. What the fuck? Let's go. This display is cooking. Damn. All right. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. On the next pack, we got Porchami, we got Papak, Blue Jam, we got Fusa, the Help event, we got another Morgans, we got the Snake Dance, we got Big Bun, we got the Dragon Breath event, we got another Monkey D. Luffy, let's go. Got the Lucy, and we got another Rob Lucci. Let's go. Let's go. For the next pack, we got a Scratchman Apu, that's the first. We got Maha. We got a Steri. We got a Weevil. We got the Megaton Ninetales Rush. The Khalifa. The Ceramic Punishment. The Tony Chopper. The Slave Arrow event. The Mr. Tanaka. The Curly Dandan. And the Monkey D. Luffy. Let's go. I'm gonna sleeve it as well. I'm gonna keep it over here because those two are my personal hits. Even though it's from another arc or it's from the arc I don't like. That's the Luffy cards are Luffy cards. We got 7 packs left. 7 is a lucky number, right? So it should bring us the 7 last pack magic for the lucky number. Another Porchimi. Got the Marigold. We got Gecko Moria. A Jinbei. Spandam. We got another Egghead stage. We got Caribou. We got another Caribou. We got another Moria. We got the More Pizza event from Bonnie. We got Kaku, that's the first. And we got the Stussy SR. That's also a first from the CP0. This set. So far so good with the SRs. Got only the Porsche, which I don't like. So I think I'm gonna open this pack last because it looks very goofy. And maybe it's a sign that's a God pack. I'm not sure. I'm not sure how God packs are in the sets, if you can hit them after hitting this. But in this pack we got Monda, Dagora and Magora, we got Buckin, we got the Boa Sonia, with the slow beam sword event. We got a Spandam, we got a Koala, we got another Rono Zoro, we got another Joseph, a Grandma Neon, another Urush, and the Dragon. Let's go. I'm playing this one in my deck and I already bought a full set, so this can go straight to the collection as well. Let's go. I really like this card, and in the ST21 Luffy it's peak performance on 8 cost, or even 9 cost is even heavier. And as 8 don't turn, 9 don't turn, I mean. But in this next pack, we have a Buckin, a Blue Jam, Monda, another Khalifa, Aladdin, Dice, the Island of Woman stage, the Masked Deuce, another Egghead Nico Robin, the Crocodile, the Outlook 3, and the Jinbei SR. Damn! SRs are coming in. That's 2, 4, 6, the 7th SR. Let's go. I'm just gonna put it over here with the best one still visible. Damn, okay, and we still got 4 packs left. Let's go. I think another alt art would be insane. I'm not sure how the hit rates are. I'm pretty sure I can't hit a bigger card, but another alt art would be great. We got Edison, we got Weevil, Tonjit, another Jinbei, we got the Keep Out event, we got Pickles, we got another Kuribu, we got the Island of Woman, we got a Hattori, we Got Atlas, let's go. We got the Tony Chopper from the Foxy Pirates, and we got Karina. That's the first, so that's great. Last 3 packs. Let's go. So, third last pack Magic. Steri, Capote, Usopp, another Reiju, another Thunder Sonia, a Morgans, I got a York, we got Hamburg, we got the most brilliant mind event, we got another Foxy Leader, I didn't want to see that, we got a Fisher Tiger, and we got another Luffy. Let's go. Just put it over here, and we have 2 packs to go with an insane hit so far. So let's see what the last 2 packs have in store for us. Okay, the second last pack. Let's see if it's another hit or not. We have Apu, we got Dagara Magura, Baskerville, got the Ceramic Punishment, got Koala, the Keep Out event, the Help event, the Slow Beam event, the Salome, the Ito Mimizu. We got the Demonic Aura 9 Sword Style Astro Demon 9 Flash. And we got another SEC. Oh my god. Oh, this looks insane as well. What the fuck? Yo. That's insane. That's the third hit. Wow. Damn. This is insane. This looks so great. Okay. I think I'm ahead in I made a profit on this one if I were to sell it. I don't want it, but if I were, damn, this is by far the best display I opened this far. Okay, we got last pack Magic, Porchemy, Boar Marigold, Capote, got Fusa, the Snake Dance event, the Egghead Tony Chopper, Mihawk, Aurora Zoro, that's the first here. We got Shaka, we got another Vegapunk leader, we got the Galaxy Wink event, and we got the Blaze Slice event. Okay, last pack Magic didn't work, sadly, but I think I still can't complain. Then just keep these together and let's see what we put in this display, because it is quite a lot. Okay, first the personal hits for me, the 2 Luffys and this one. And then we have 2 Silver Dons. We got the Dragon, we got Stussy, we got the Porsche, we got the Jinbei, the Boa Hancock, the Sanji, the Basil Hawkins. Then we got the SEC Ace. We got the SEC Alt Art Zabo. And we got the special rare Nami. Like this, it looks just insane. Oh my god. So I would say the centering looks fine as well. Damn. So this is like the best display so far got 2 SSCs, one of which is art, and the other special rare. Damn. I think I paid 100 and... Oh, yes, I know. I paid in the official One Piece store 105 euros for this one. So at MSRP, I would say with this kind of hits, I should visit that store more often. Damn. I hope you enjoyed the video. I'm not sure the next opening can compete with this one in terms of hit, but I'm pretty sure the next manga is coming soon. We're gonna open a lot of OP15 and hopefully also EV03. So stay tuned for that. Stay tuned for more Pokemon content, for nerd stuff content in general, and see you in the next video. Bye.